Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw from your Trust Wallet mining automated app. Okay. However, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So without being said, let's dive into it. So right here, you can see when you come down to switch network, you can see that I am connected to Polygon. So it is necessary you connect to Polygon, that is on your Trust wallet. You are actually connected to the Polygon USDT. So when you come right here, it will be easy to be connected together. Okay, so once that is done, you can see that I am already mining. Like I said in my previous video, that you don't need any funds right here. You just need to have $10 or above on your Trust wallet Polygon account. Then you go over to your account and come down to discover, then paste the link as you saw on my previous video, then connect your account to your Trust Wallet app. So you can see that it's actually mining right here. You can see that for yourself. Now when you come down to me right here, you can see that I am generating this extra income for myself. Now when you come down to home, you can see that this 10 USD you're seeing right here is on your Trust Wallet account. It gives it access to mine successfully without you being adding any funds right here. So when I come down to me right here, you can see that I can go ahead to withdraw from my current balance, which is 2.3 USDT. Now you can see that I can just come down right here and click on all. So once I click on all, you can see that, then click on withdraw. You can see that, then I come down right here and click on USDT, then click on confirm. So you can see that for yourself. So instantly it's going to be saying withdrawal successful. So the reason why it's saying withdrawal successful is because your Trust wallet is already linked to this platform. So you don't need to input any Trust wallet details right here, because you have linked it to your account. Now when you go over to your Trust wallet app, you're going to be seeing that these funds as reflected on your Trust wallet. When I go over to my Trust wallet, you can see that the funds will be reflecting on my Trust wallet account. So when I went down to my Trust wallet account, you can see from 10 USDT I got over 12.36 USDT. You can see that for yourself. So that is how the withdrawal process work on this platform. Automatically you're going to be having it on your Trust wallet account. Now let's go back to this app. Let's come down to discover. So you're going to be pasting it right here, but I already have that here. So it's going to be connected automatically. So when you come down right here, you can see that it has increased to 12.35 USDT, meaning the balance I have on my Trust Wallet account is reflecting right here. So it's mining continuously on my Trust Wallet account. So you can see that. So if you actually place withdrawal, it's going to be adding up to your Trust Wallet and it's going to be reflecting on this platform, and you can continue mining with that. Remember I said the total amount you have on your account determines the income you're going to be getting every single day on your mining on this particular platform. So once you connected your Trust wallet to this platform, automatically you are mining with the amount you have right on your Trust wallet. You can see that before I have 10 USDT right here, now it's 12 USDT, because when we go over to our Trust wallet account, you can see that we already have 12 USDT on our account. So this is what we are mining with. It's actually tallying together because you have linked it together. So you are getting income through your Trust wallet mining from that platform. So that is how to place withdrawal on this platform. You can find the link and start leveraging this platform properly to earn for yourself. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.